the first episode of Season to the T. Ooh, Season to the T. Mind you, I had never had a fight. Like, had never had a fight in real life. So I'm talking to my best friend, like, okay, like, if we're gonna fight, we're gonna fight. Hell. Oh, it just sounded like I was raised in the suburbs, huh? Okay, we going. Yeah, I'm gonna write a little intro. I'm gonna write a little intro song, like, because in reality, I could have been a rapper. You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally could have been a rapper. So I'm gonna write a little intro for this this series. Check for that later, you know. What's up, YouTube? So I decided that I wanted to do like a little cooking series so we can cook, chat it up, you know, just talk about current events, hot topics. Yeah, I don't know, you know, like I don't really have a lineup of things to discuss because they're gonna come, you know, as the time flows. But I did want to name it. Yes, the Season to the T. And y'all know because I'm T baby. Hi, welcome. I had two options for tonight. It was either gonna be pizza or naan, or turkey meatballs or turkey Salisbury steak type demo with rice or mashed potatoes and gravy and broccoli. The pizza one, I don't know how. Yeah, so that's gonna be our first episode. So we're about to make pizza. I'm gonna show you the ingredients we're gonna need. Okay, y'all, if y'all are following me on TikTok, I've said this before on live, but I use, when it comes to pizza, not the other way around, but I use marinara and pasta sauce or spaghetti sauce interchangeably. For pizza, I'm not using marinara in my spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? Only for pizza. So this is pasta sauce. Good and Gather. Target. Oh yeah, that's the sauce we're gonna use. Okay, y'all, one thing I will say, so I did make me a little foil tray, you know. Yes, I made this, handcrafted by me. So, oh, I was gonna say, if you like your pizza to be like a little bit more on the crispy, crunchy side, you can cook it without the foil. That'll give you that little crisp. So we're gonna do like 6 because we're gonna have a little side salad. I'll make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Matter of fact, I do actually need y'all to drop a legit comment in the comment section. I need y'all to help me out with some questions for a Q&A. I want to do a Q&A video this week because I realized when I was looking at my channel videos or whatever that, like, I never introduced myself. I just hopped on here like, what's up? What's good? I'm T baby. Come look at the life with me. I don't know, y'all, but seriously, I didn't formally introduce myself. That was really rude of me. I'm so sorry. I was not raised like that. You know what I'm saying? So I am thankful for 608 subscribers. Let's go. So if y'all have been seeing my content, whether it's on shorts or videos, just let me know any questions you have. Okay, y'all, so we're going to put a little bit of that Sicilian onto, like, directly onto the, that first layer of, I'm saying first layer, that's the only layer, but, and obviously if you want more sauce, that's your business, not mine. I'm gonna do a little story time. Let me tell y'all about, and I'm also trying to get more comfortable talking on the camera, y'all. So like, if it's all choppy, forgive me, okay? I'm really trying here. Oh, we going in with the mild cheddar first, sorry. But let me tell y'all, this was like, was this my first official boyfriend. I think so. So this has to do with my first official boyfriend. And actually, you know, in retrospect, when you say these things out loud, it's like, oh my God. But yeah, let me tell you about how this girl wanted to fight me over my boyfriend. My boyfriend. We were in high school. We're gonna call her Leslie. Okay? So me and Leslie were in the same grade. Now this boy, we're just gonna call him this boy. He did not go to our school. In fact, now that I'm thinking of it, I don't even know what school he went to. Okay, now we're going in with the mozzarella. We have been like dating for an extremely short period of time. I feel like it was at the end of one summer going into the beginning of the school year. But either way, I remember this girl wrote my best friend on Facebook and was telling her how she wanted to fight me. Yeah, she wanted to fight me because I don't even know what it was. Girl, yeah, I don't even know why this is a story time because I couldn't even tell you. I couldn't even tell you what the issue was. I thought the boy was my boyfriend, so I don't know what the hoopla was about. But yeah, they was going back and forth on Facebook. My best friend told me, y'all, I'm all crying on the phone, and I can't remember if she messaged me on Facebook. But y'all, the point is that I was really crying, and that's honestly beyond me because, child. But anyway, so the next day came, mind you, I had never had a fight. Like, I had never had a fight with anybody. So I'm talking to my best friend, like, okay, like, if we're gonna fight, we're gonna fight. Hell. Oh, it just sounded like I was raised in the suburbs, huh? Okay, we're going in with the banana peppers. So, you know, I told my best friend, like, you know, it is what it is. Like, what? I'm not ducking no action. I'm going to school. So yeah, I see the girl the next day in the hallway, actually on the side of the stairwell, going into the, we had like these little breezeways that would connect the different school buildings. And there was the breezeway going into the gym. I seen her, and I was probably like, I was smaller in high school, but was she like my size? We were probably like the same size. We were probably like the same size. So we stepped toward the stairwell, and y'all, I don't even remember what the exact conversation was, but it was along the lines of, the girl seriously wanted to pull me to the side to ask if we had been active. Yeah, that's what I said. And I was like, girl, what? Seriously, first of all, who asked somebody that? I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't know you. Like, that was really strange. But yeah, also you said you wanted to fight me, so like, what are we doing here? But yeah, it turned out to be absolutely not a thing, but a waste of my time. We both walked off. She asked that, and I was like, girl, what? Because I was really taken aback. That's not what you were saying. It was just really strange, a very awkward thing. But yeah, y'all, then I immediately let that go. Because baby, do I look like the type to be involved in anybody's scandalous drama? Y'all, the point of that is, anytime somebody messages you on Facebook, you know it's about to be some drama. I'm about to put the rest of these little sun-dried tomatoes on here. Y'all see, 2 of these pieces is just cheese. Well, maybe I can't see it, so I'm gonna adjust the camera in a second. Yeah, that's 2 of these pieces right there, just cheese. So I'm gonna go in. I went in with banana peppers. I'm gonna go in with a few onions on this one. Now, if you really wanted to top it off and be fancy, you could put a little Parmesan cheese, like the grated Parmesan cheese. But I don't think we have any. Topping the pieces with a little Italian, just a little bit of oil so that it's not dry. Okay, so this is how they are looking after adding that little Italian seasoning and oil. So they're gonna go in the oven for about 10-12 minutes on 375 because we don't want to burn the cheese, or we don't. Y'all look crooked. Sorry, y'all. The salads were bad. Yeah, I just seen me get the salad.
I said no.
So yeah, now we're gonna have probably a couple fries on the side. I don't know. We're going with the flow. Okay, y'all. So yeah, decided on some fries and some Just There chicken tenders. Y'all, how come the first episode of Season with the Tea is really not even nothing homemade? But that's okay. We going with the flow, okay? Yeah. So the other thing about this is that the pieces are gonna be done before these, so that sucks. Okay, y'all, I'm forced to show y'all the pizza currently. Yeah, that's what. Come on now, get into it. This is perfect for the thumbnail. Some pizza on nine rounds. Okay, and here is the toddler's plate. She has a few chicken bites, her cheese pizza, and some strawberries. So here is my final plate. I just cut those whispered chicken tenders up and tossed them in a little barbecue sauce, a couple of fries, and the Naan Pizza. Oh my God, the pizza's so good. I already tasted. I got my parent tax off of Tootie's plate. So yes, I know it's amazing. Oh my goodness. Subscribe to this video, join the fam. If you made it this far, we family. What I say, if you like it, ain't no switching up. No, for real. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. I think that's cool. Did you want to share anything else? Okay. Here you go. It's not too hot. It's just barbecue chicken. See, look. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You want to try? She just skipped the table with her foot. Bye. One with the turkey, pepperoni, red onion, and that's it. What are you doing, Bobby? Mm-hmm. I didn't even turn it off one. The veggie. The veggie. I do usually put spinach, but I don't have any spinach. Like, you can definitely tell the difference between that Sicilian and Italian. I mean, I know somebody, excuse me, what are you doing? I know somebody is probably thinking like, duh, Sicilian, Italian, I don't know. But thank y'all for chilling with me on the first episode of Season to the Tea. I'm so excited that I actually got this like filmed, because I do have a vlog that I'm putting out tonight that I have to finish editing, and then I'm supposed to go live on Instagram, excuse me, for a baddies watch party. So like old me would have easily been like, I'll just start this next week, and you know, I'm already behind because I haven't finished the video that I'm supposed to put out today. But no, yeah, I'm really pushing through. So I'm really pushing through. Like I said, I'm gonna go hard with this YouTube journey. So yeah, I do appreciate all 680 y'all for, Thank you. Thank you. I really do appreciate it, seriously. I love y'all. It means the world to me. But yeah, if you haven't already, please drop any questions that you have in the comments for a get to know me. I want to put that out this week, y'all. I don't want to keep doing any videos without y'all knowing the real me. You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, so yeah, drop any comments y'all have, any questions, feedback. I'm new to my YouTube journey. I said that before. So like, yeah, any constructive criticism, I'm open for it all, y'all. I'm just grateful to be here. Thankful that y'all are on this journey with me. Yeah, so we're about to see where it goes. But yeah, this is the first episode of Season to the T. Ooh, Season to the T. Yeah, I'm gonna write a little intro. I'm gonna write a little intro song, like, because in reality, I could have been a rapper. You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally could have been a rapper. So I'm gonna write a little intro for this this series. Check for that later, But yeah, I'll see y'all on episode 2. Bye. Oh, well, I should have threw up the 1. It's episode 1. Bye.